way. And just looking at the Friday range bar that formed, you can almost guess what my attitude is today, and that is stay the hell away. Okay, so let's just run through what my thinking is right now. So firstly, this swing low here of 11,900 has been, so we rejected it last week, we closed below, sorry, not last week, but on Thursday, and then Friday we gapped up above it and we sort of closed the week above it. So if we just look at the weekly bar on that, you'll see we've had a weekly close above this area of resistance here. And there's two areas here. So obviously we've got the one which we're looking at 11,900, and then we're looking at this one here at 11,728. Now, looking at the 3 hour, it does look like it's finding some support here, but I'm going to need to see a lot more than just this. There's just way too much confusion happening in the market right now. And I think I'm just going to wait and see, let the dust settle, and then worry about trying to get into the indexes. I don't think anybody really knows what's going to transpire and what we're going to do. So there's just too many, how do I put it, there are almost an equal number of bulls and bears with different views on the markets. And obviously they've got different agendas that they're driving. So as far as I'm concerned right now, is there are one or two things that are going to happen. We're either going to miraculously recover, which is the one which most people don't believe, and then the other one is that we are setting up for a much bigger leg down. So until we get confirmation of either, I'm sitting on the sidelines. So just coming down to the hour on this, you'll see that we have a potential double bottom, which basically means I need to break above 12157. I need to break above that, retest it, and then look for my move to the upside. Alternatively, we have a move down. We are now ranging. We now need to break below the range. And I'm going to be really conservative on this. Just delete this one. Just because of the weekly levels that we're at the moment. That is 11,746. I need to see a break below that, retest of that. And that's going to give me the ability to be short. I would also be interested in shorting off 12157 as well. So it is a fairly clear area, but we have tested already, which is just why I'm a little bit skeptical about it. The other area would be one of those two areas up there. So 12358 and 12467 for shorts. Any support that we find off any of these levels lower down will get me out of that short and looking for longs. Okay, that's kind of looking at it at the moment, but I think realistically we'll wait for Europe Open to see what transpires and take it from there. If we do open in this area here, below the moving average, then no, my bias is going to be to the short side. But as I say, we need to get through these weekly levels here. So that's 11746. Got to get below that, come back, retest it, and start rolling before I'm convinced we've got a longer term short at the moment. Okay, so yeah, so until then, let's just check the 4 hour here as well. Yeah, you see, until then, this confusion reigns. Okay, all these tails to downside, tails to upside, barbed wire confusion, and you can see my levels line up exactly with that. Okay, break up above 12,157, come back, retest it. Then we're looking for a continuation of the trend. Break below this area here of 11,746, retest it. We're looking for shorts. Bear in mind, we've got a gap down here. So what you may find is come to the gap and then rally back up into the halfway line here and then move as well. So yeah, I think I'll just wait for some clear signals on this one. So not bothering trading this. Anyway, hope it helps you, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.